Sassafras switch mats from Evergreen are an easy and economical way to personalize your space. Start with a 10 by 22 inch recycled rubber mat with a printed design on a soft polyester surface. Each of these is sold individually, and they're great for using anywhere, from steps to RVs to pet areas. If you're using it in an entryway, pair your mat with one of our Sassafras mat frames, which are sold separately. These create an 18 by 30 inch statement, keep the mat better anchored at your door, and maintain a low profile of 1/4 to 1/2 inch. We offer a variety of frame styles and prices. With your frame, you can build your collection of designs and change them out as often as you like, including major holidays and occasions throughout the year. We even include team sports designs for game days. Complement your Sassafras mat with any of our coordinating items, including hanging door decor and outdoor decorative flags. And check back for more new mat designs to freshen up the look with Evergreen Sassafras.